Okay, we're ready. Hold on. Come around this side. And knock it down. Oh, no. What do you think about that?
Good.
Hold on, let's see if we woke up Blake. Nope, he's still sleeping. Okay, Ethan, let's go get the tractor and let's come in here with the tractor and pick them all up and haul them to the other room. Let's go. You got the tractor?
Yeah.
We've already. You want the trailer on too? All right.
I know how to put it on.
You do. Push it all the way in, then turn it. There you go. Okay. Jump on. We got the chain looped up. We got the trailer hooked up. We're ready to go. Jump on that sucker. Let's go pick up all the blocks and bring them back in here. What color are we going to get first? Hitting the walls, boy. Easy. Slow it down. All right. Load it up. You going to load the bucket too? Locked down. Okay, let's load it up. There you go. We're going to take all the orange ones first. Be sure to stack them so they don't fall off while we're going down the road. Because then we'd have to pick them all up. All ready to go. Back it on up. Beep, 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 beep. You're going to have to turn it around, son. You're not going to fit through the door. Get on the tractor and ride it. Use your steering wheel. Go forward and turn. Turn sharp.
I'm doing sharp.
All right, now back it up. Turn the steering wheel the other direction. No, that way. Drive it all the way up there. Now turn it the other way. Back it up. Now turn it this way. Go forward. Turn it the other direction. Back it up. Turn it straight. Alright, you're good now. You got it. Carpet's a little hard to pedal on. Now we're good. Don't hit the walls. All right, let's unload them. Yep.
How will we do that?
Well, you take all the boxes and you put them out here on the ground so we can empty the trailer and go get another load. But don't put them all there because then you can't drive through. Stick them over here. Okay, put them over by the horse. That's a good spot. Or put them on the table. Where you want to put them? Stack them on that box there. Put them right there. Okay, fine. Do them there. But don't put them on the floor because then we can't drive your tractor through.
Well, I'm going that one.
Uh-huh. Well, you have to come back through here later. Load them up. Jump on it. You can't pick up a tractor. You have to drive the tractor. There you go. There you go. Now try again. Don't watch where you're going. Watch the walls. Back it up. There you go. You cheated. Oh, don't tell Mama you hit the wall. Alright, let's load up the blue ones. We could do yellow next. What about the front bucket? Okay. Well, get on it and drive it. Go forward, turn your steering wheel, and then back it up. You can't pick up real tractors. You have to steer them. There you go. Go forward, cut your wheel. But first, drive it all the way up here towards those balloons. Yep, turn the steering wheel. Go all the way towards the balloons. Alright, now turn your steering wheel the other direction and back it up. Turn the other way. Turn your steering wheel the other. There you go. Now back it all the way up. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Keep going back. There you go. Now turn your wheel the other direction. Go forward. Yep. Turn your wheel the other direction. Turn your wheel. Back it up. Turn it the other way. Go forward. That's how you do it. Little at a time. Alright, over the bump. Boom. Alright, you ready to go unload them? Go unload and bring it back. I'll help you load up the next one. Yeah. Do you like your tractor?
Yes.
What do you like about it?
That is a yellow spot.
What's the best part about the tractor?
I hope you knew.
Yeah, you can haul things.
Yep.
Move it from room to room.
Yeah.
What else do you like about it? Do you like the front loader?
Back loader.
Do you like working on the chain, taking it apart a while ago?
Yep.
What do you think? The chain running smoother?
Yep.
Good.
And now let me go fast.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to stop the video. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say see you next time
See you next time.
on Farmer Ethan's videos. No? Nice try, huh?
Bye.
Bye.